If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste. How many of you love sandwiches for breakfast or pack for their kids' lunch boxes? You guys can check the recipe of veg mayo sandwich, which is quick to make and good to eat. And today I'll share a recipe of grilled cheese melt. This sandwich has nothing but cheese. Usually it is made with pressed cheese slices, but you can always go for cheddar cheese if you want it to be a healthier one. These taste best when they are hot and go well with chips, wafers, crackers or potato wedges. Please note the ingredients needed to make grilled cheese melt. List is also given in description below. First of all, we have bread slices 2. And do not remove the edges or the sides of the bread. Put 2 pressed cheese slices over the bread pieces like this and close it so it looks like a sandwich. But now we will put grated mozzarella cheese or pizza cheese to make it melt like this over the top piece. And here the panini press or sandwich toaster is heated. Put a parchment paper over it, place the sandwich the cheese side up and one more piece of parchment paper. Close it and let it get cooked or grilled for about 1 minute. After this, remove it gently. See, it is cooked from both the sides and cheese is also grilled. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut it and you see cheese melting, oozing out of the sandwich. Serve the sandwich hot with a side of potato chips or any wafer of your choice. Now this sandwich can always be made over a skillet or a pan if you do not have a griller. So first we cook the bottom side that doesn't have the shredded cheese on a hot skillet on medium heat. After that, take a parchment paper, put over the shredded cheese side, and now the cheese side with the parchment paper goes over the hot skillet. Pressing with a spoon, cook it for about 1 minute on medium heat only. And see, the shredded cheese is melting over the piece of parchment paper. So after about a minute or so, gently reverse the sandwich and very carefully remove the piece of parchment paper. Now your sandwich is ready. Cut it with a knife and serve hot. Enjoy this sandwich hot with a cup of tea, coffee or any drink or sides of your choice. Thanks for watching.